Hi Sudha ma'am. Hi Geeta Manoj ma'am. Hi Anu ma'am, Kavita ma'am, hi. Thank you all for joining. Hi, hi Shabana, Anjum ma'am, hi. Hello all. Thank you all for joining today's live. Yeah, let's start the show now. Welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. I'm Aishwarya. First of all, I need to thank you all for joining today's live. In today's live, we are going to show you some salwar materials. Price range from 1000 to 1600. If you like to book any of the item, you can directly log on to our website, which is www.shriyadthecottonhouse.com or www.shriya.shop. Or else you can take a screenshot of the item and you can WhatsApp us at 91766411794. Yeah, let's begin the show now. Hi all of you. Hi Ranjita ma'am, Ramya, Savita. Hi all. So now let's start the show now. This is item number 1. It's a quarter top with all over embroidery. This is the first top. It's a quarter top with all over embroideries in it. It's a nice light beige color top. And it's paired with the soft silk cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. It's a double shaded soft silk dupatta. This is the dupatta. This is the first color in the first set. It's paired with the contrast cotton bottom. This is how the set looks and the price of the set is 1200, 1200. Hi Deepa ma'am. Hi. We have got colors in this, so let's check on the colors in this. This is the second color. It's a kind of onion pink color. It's paired with the beige color bottom. This is the second color. I hope you can see the designs. It's a nice, beautiful onion pink color. It's paired with a double shaded soft silk dupatta. This is the dupatta. The dupatta also has got a full embroidered work. And a contrast beige color bottom. This is how the set looks. The price of the set is 1200. And this is the next color. It's a beautiful blue with a navy blue combination. All these are updated in our website, so kindly check our website. It's a nice blue with navy blue combination. It's a double shaded navy blue with light blue. Dark navy blue with light blue color dupatta and a cotton bottom. This is how the set looks. The price of the set is 1200. This is the next color. It's a dark olive green color. The black color embroideries on it. The full top has an embroidery. This is how the top looks. The full top has an embroidery. black color embroidery in it. This is the dupatta, double shaded soft silk dupatta, the black color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1200. If you like to book any of the item which I am showing now, you can directly log on to our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com, or else you can take a screenshot of the item and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. This is the last color in this set. The light peach color set, the grey color embroidery. And as a contrast cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1200. Let's move on to the next set now. It's a pure cotton set. It's a pure cotton set with the sequence work on the yoke part. Hi Soumya ma'am, hi. It's a pure cotton set with a ikat patch on the yoke part. It's paired with the printed satin silk dupatta. This is the dupatta, satin silk dupatta, and a contrast bottom. A very lengthy dupatta and a comfortable fabric too. The price of the set is 1290. Let's check the next item. This is the third set. It's premium quality silk cotton top. The simple yoke. It's a nice green color. It's paired with a very beautiful dupatta. This is the dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks. A fully cut work dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks, and it has a contrast cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1240. We have got colors in this set. It's a nice peach with yellow color combination. It's a nice peach with light yellow color combination and a contrast bottom. The price of the set is 1240. All these are updated in our website, so kindly log on to our website and you can place the orders, or else you can take a screenshot of it now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. This is the third color. It's a dark yellow color with a pink color dupatta, Rani pink color dupatta. This is the dupatta. I hope you could see the embroideries in it. Very pretty dupatta and a contrast bottom. The price of the set is 1240. Let's move on to the next set now. It's a very pretty item. This is soft silk top. The fully embroidered work on the yoke. This is how it looks. A beautiful pastel grey color top this is. It's paired with an organza dupatta. Fully embroidered organza dupatta. This is how it looks. A fully embroidered organza dupatta and has a contrast cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1190. We have got two colors in this. This is the next color. Light beige color, kind of pastel beige. It's a beautiful handworks. It's paired with the same color organza dupatta. Same color organza dupatta and a same contrast cotton bottom. Contrast cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1190. This is the next set. It's a beautiful jute cotton set. The fully handwork on the yoke. It's paired with the digital printed Chanderi dupatta. This is the dupatta. Dupatta also has an embroideries. I hope you could see the embroideries. This is the dupatta. It's paired with the contrast cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1180. If you like to book this item, you can take a screenshot of the item now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794, or else you can directly log on to our website and you can place your orders. And this is the next color in the same set. It's a nice jute cotton set. The fully hand embroidered work. It's paired with the contrast digital printed Chanderi dupatta. Chanderi dupatta and the same color cotton bottom. And this is the next color. Again a jute with a kind of a brownish orange color dupatta. This is. All this has a beautiful work on the yoke. It looks very elegant and pretty. It's a nice orangish brown color and a cotton bottom. And this is the last color. It's a jute cotton with a bottle green color dupatta and a bottom. The price of the set is 1180. Beautiful combination. This is dark bottle green color printed dupatta and a cotton bottom. Price of the set is 1180. You can directly log on to our website. We have given the website link in the description. This is the next set. It's a very beautiful set. It's a semi-tussar top. The fully handwork on the yoke. Nice peachish pink color. It's paired with a very pretty embroidered organza dupatta. This is the dupatta. Dupatta has a full embroidered work. Full embroidered work and a contrast bottom. The price of the set is 1590. It's a very beautiful set. We have got colors in this too. It's a nice light pista green color combination. Beautiful green this is. Beautiful green color top with the same color organza dupatta and a contrast pink color bottom. This is the next color. It's a greyish color paired with the blue color bottom. This is the top. And a grey color organza dupatta. The dupatta has a full embroidered work. Full embroidered work. The lengthy dupatta too. And a same blue color bottom. The price of the set is 1590. We have got two more colors in this. Light cream color top. Light cream color top. It's paired with the brown color bottom. The price of the set is 1590. We do deliver all over India with a free of cost. So all our prices are mentioned with free shipping. We don't have a COD facility. We have only prepaid orders. This is the last combination. It's a very beautiful sky blue, kind of a sky blue, light sky blue. Light sky blue with a pink color combination. The price of the set is 1590. Many of you are messaging, but I can't able to read your messages. Kindly don't mind. This is the next set. It's again a beautiful set. It's a fully digital printed cotton set with a full cut works on it. I hope you could see the cut works. This cut work comes all over the top. All over the top. It's paired with a chiffon dupatta. Contrast color chiffon dupatta. Dupatta also has an embroidery. And a contrast bottom. The price of the set is 1350. We have got different prints in this. If you like to book this item, you can take a screenshot of it now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. It's again a different print. It's a kind of a brown and maroon color combination with all over digital prints and a contrast chiffon dupatta and a cotton bottom. So such a pretty piece this is. Fully cut work on the top. Fully cut work on the top. This is the next print. All these are priced at 1350. This is the next print. It's a kind of a greyish blue with maroon color prints all over the top. It's paired with the maroon color chiffon dupatta. Fully embroidered chiffon dupatta. And a contrast bottom. The price of the set is 1350. This is the next print. It's a dark navy blue, the light blue color prints all over the top, paired with the contrast chiffon dupatta and the contrast cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1350. You can take a screenshot of it now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. This is the last print in that set. It's again a dark navy blue, the light blue color prints all over the top. The full top has a cut work. The full top has a cut work. It's paired with the chiffon dupatta. Chiffon dupatta and a contrast bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1350. Let's check the next item. It's a pure cotton set. It's a fully machine embroidered work on the yoke. It's a pure cotton item with a full embroidered work on the yoke part alone. This is how the top part looks. Only the embroidery comes only in the yoke part, and it's paired with a light sandal color soft silk cotton dupatta. Dupatta also has a full embroidered work. This is the dupatta, full embroidered dupatta. And a contrast bottom. This is the bottom. It's a maroon color with a sandal color dupatta and a bottom. The price of the set is 1190. We have got colors in that set. It's a kind of an olive green color top. The full machine embroidered work. The top is pure cotton and the dupatta is soft silk cotton. This is the dupatta, very very lengthy dupatta this is. This is the dupatta and a contrast bottom. The price of the set is 1190. You can take a screenshot of it now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794, or else you can directly log on to our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com. We have given the website link in the description. This is a nice mango yellow color top. The fully embroidered dupatta. The price of the set is 1190, and it has a contrast bottom. This is the bottom. This is the last color. It's a dark navy blue. Dark navy blue color top with a silk cotton dupatta. Only the top color varies in this set, but the dupatta on the bottom remains the same. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. It's a dark navy blue color, but it looks like black, I think. But it's not dark navy blue color. The price of the set is 1190. Let's move on to the next item. It's again a jute cotton fabric. It's a jute cotton fabric with the organza dupatta. This is the top. It has a fully handwork, French knot works and bullion flowers. It's paired with a fully embroidered organza dupatta. Very lengthy dupatta this is. It's a beautiful dark brown, the kind of a pale green color combination. The price of the set is 1350. It has a contrast bottom, dupatta color bottom. We have got colors in this. The top color will be same, just the dupatta varies. This is the next combination. It's a brown with pink combination. Very pretty combination this is. Fully embroidered organza dupatta. The price of the set is 1315. I hope you could see the embroideries. If you like to book the item, you can take a screenshot of it now and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. This is the next combination, brown with yellow. Brown with yellow. The full dupatta has the embroidery. See, full dupatta has the embroidery. We have got one more combination in this, dark brown with orange, I think, yeah. Dark brown with light peach color. The price of the set is 1315. The contrast bottom. Yeah, very lengthy set this is. The price of the set is 1315. You can directly log on to our website and you can place the orders. We have given the website link in the description box. Let's move on to the next item. It's again a kota top. Kota top with full embroideries on it. It has a full embroidery works. And it's paired with a soft silk dupatta, embroidered soft silk dupatta. It's a nice olive green color. Same color bottom, cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1200. We have got colors in this, very pretty pastel colors we have. It's again a nice sky blue color, light sky blue. Paired with the soft silk dupatta, embroidered soft silk dupatta. embroidered soft silk dupatta. I hope you could see the embroideries on the dupatta. Very comfortable fabric this is. Under cotton, same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1200. This is a nice light peach color. All these will be in light pastel colors only, so looks very good. So those who like pastel colors can definitely go for this set. It's a nice pastel peach color with a soft silk dupatta, embroidered soft silk dupatta, and the same color cotton bottom. The price of the set is 1200. You can log on to our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com or www.shriya.shop, and you can place your orders. It's a nice kind of a sandal color top. The top fabric is kota and the dupatta is semi silk, soft semi silk. This is, and the same color bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1200. This is the last color. It's a beautiful onion pink color. Beautiful onion pink color with the full embroidery works. Full embroidery work. This is the dupatta, semi silk dupatta. The same color bottom. Very beautiful color. The price of this is 1200. This is the last set. It's again a jute cotton fabric with a simple hand work, and also has a full mirror work on the top part. It's again a beautiful onion pink color. We have got 3 to 4 onion pinks this time. This is a beautiful embroidered organza dupatta. Dupatta has a scallop work. This is the work, scallop work, and the same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. Very pretty and an elegant set this is. The price of the set is 1235. 1235. We have got 3 colors in this. This is a kind of chocolate brown. Chocolate brown. The same color organza dupatta. This is the dupatta and a same color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. The price of the set is 1235. We have got 2 more colors in this. This is a kind of an orange color. Very elegant item. This is, the fabric is jute cotton, very comfortable to wear. This is the dupatta, very lengthy dupatta, organza dupatta. This is the dupatta under same color cotton bottom. You can log on to our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com, and you can place your orders. Or else you can take a screenshot of the item and you can WhatsApp us at 91766411794. This is the kind of a greenish blue color. It's paired with the organza dupatta and the same color cotton bottom. All these items are uploaded in our website, so kindly log on to our website and you can place your orders. We have given the website link in the description box, so you can directly click on the link and you can place your orders. The price of the set is 1235. We do deliver all over India with the free of cost. So that's all for today's show. I hope you all like the show. If you have any queries, you can directly WhatsApp us at 91766411794. Many of you have messaged. I have missed most of your message. Sorry for it. Yeah, ma'am. We have given a WhatsApp number in the description box, which is 9176641794. Thank you all for watching today's live. Keep supporting us. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you everybody. Yeah. Yeah, we'll come again live on to next Friday. Thank you all of you for joining live. Let's meet next week. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.